Hey guys, today we're taking a look at some of the new Dodge Direct Connection performance parts. Dodge released some videos yesterday giving us more details, including tuner and stage kits for the Hellcat and Hellcat Redeye, Challenger upgrade kits, drag Pak Packages, Mopar Crate Engines, and more. So today we're going through and seeing what's available. Dodge has released a massive 108-page 2022 e-catalog that show all the various parts and crate engines. A print version of the catalog will be available in mid-2022 for the people that like to have those lying around. We don't have time to go through all of it, but we will look at some of the new options that they have outlined. You'll find the video outline on screen now, and let's get started. So first, the Direct Connection overview. A few weeks ago when we covered Dodge's 24 Months of Muscle program, Dodge talked about the Direct Connection performance parts, which were first introduced in 1974 to help Dodge owners get more performance out of their classic muscle cars. The program offered OEM secrets from within, like manuals, advice, service, and performance parts that were all backed by the brand. In 1987, it was renamed to Mopar Performance Parts, but now the Direct Connection is back again, exclusively at Dodge Power Broker dealers. Direct Connection will offer a full line of factory-tuned and developed performance parts and kits that will not violate the warranty. Dodge CEO Tim Kuniskis talked about the program, saying, quote, Direct Connection will continue its rollout next year with a lineup of 200 plus parts, and with a network of Dodge Power Broker dealers that are trained and equipped to help enthusiasts take that performance to the next level. The opening of orders for Direct Connection performance parts in the first quarter of 2022 is just the start. The lineup of Direct Connection products and Dodge Power Broker dealers will continue to grow in the years ahead. End quote. So first, there are 14 new kits that can be added to upgrade your Charger or Challenger. Each kit comes completed with all the parts you need, plus illustrated step-by-step instructions, while maintaining that factory bumper-to-bumper and powertrain warranty when installed by a Dodge Power Brokers dealer. Most of these are for the Challenger, but some will fit the Charger as well, and I'll post the information on screen as we go along. First up are Redeye aluminum cylinder heads that are ready to install and pre-assembled for $2,595 US. They will bolt right on and come with gaskets and fasteners. The Redeye heads upgrade on the valves with lighter intake valves with a hollow stem, while the exhaust valves have hollow sodium-filled stems for better heat dissipation. Another big upgrade includes the Redeye forged piston and rod assembly kit for $3,195. These pistons have special piston forgings and connecting rods with extra material inside to withstand that extra supercharging pressure. The connecting rods are also larger than those on the standard Hellcat with ARP cap screw fittings. The next upgrade is for all 2015 and up Challenger Hellcats with the automatic transmission, and that would be a Redeye driveline bolt-on kit costing a whopping $4,955, and all of these items are sold together in the kit or available separately. So the first piece would be the $1,495 41 spline high-strength half shafts, whereas the standard Hellcat half shafts are 38 spline. They also have thicker wall tubing and heat-treated stub ends for extra strength. These are built to handle 770 pound-feet of torque. Another piece of the kit, or again on its own, would be the Redeye differential assembly for $1995. This has special heat-treated aluminum for more strength, and upgrades on that 2.62 to 1 gear ratio that's found in the standard Hellcats, giving you a lower 3.09 to 1 ratio instead for better off-the-line acceleration. Inside, the gears are heat-treated and the limited slip has an increased torque bias, and that makes it tighter, meaning less chance of slipping right to left when you're taking off. There's also a $1,695 drive shaft that's 20% stronger than the standard Hellcat drive shaft. For all Charger and Challenger V8 models from 2008 and up, there is a zero camber rear knuckle kit for the independent rear suspension for $695. When launching these cars, the tires change camber and tip in at the top as the car squats, so this kit is designed for reduced camber gain as the tires will stay more vertical and therefore increase the rear tire contact patch and improve traction. Another item is the Redeye torque converter kit for 2015 and up SRT Hellcat Chargers and Challengers with the automatic transmission that cost $1,235. With 11% more stall speed and 18% more torque multiplication than the Hellcat converter, it provides harder launches and lower elapsed times. Another upgrade for 2018 and up SRT Hellcat Challenger owners includes the Redeye High Flow Airbox for $565, which is a complete airbox kit that uses a large open element air filter to reduce the inlet restriction and let the engine breathe a little more freely. The airbox has 14 liters of internal capacity. Dodge is also offering their innovative illuminated air catcher headlamp kit for $1,675. These will actually fit all the V6 and naturally aspirated 5.7 liter and 6.4 liter Hemi V8s from 2015 and up to help them breathe a little better and give you a really nice feature in the process. The wide body kit is another hugely popular option these days, but it's only been available on 2019 and up Scat Packs and Hellcats from the factory. But now, all 2015 and newer Challenger owners can buy the Challenger wide body fender flare and fascia kit for their cars, and this is a $2,495 option. I think this is a great offering that many owners will take advantage of and have been asking for. 2015 and up Challenger owners can also choose the SRT front fascia kit for $1995 to give you some Hellcat attitude. This kit increases the airflow to the engine compartment for improved engine cooling, plus increased downforce, but most importantly, it adds that sinister SRT style. Another improvement for these 2015 plus Challengers is the newer dual snorkel Hellcat hood for $1,495. These became standard in 2019 on the Hellcats and Redeyes, so if you had an older Challenger, you didn't have one, but now it's available for any model. There are also so many more parts for various vehicles, including the Challenger, Charger, Durango, Dart, and even Neon. The next thing to cover would be the direct connection tuner and stage kits for the 2019 and up Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat and Hellcat Redeye models, helping to unlock the full horsepower potential of the vehicles. First up would be the direct connection tuner, available on its own or as part of the pre-stage kit, which we'll cover next. This features a full-color 5-inch HD screen with customizable colors, full data logging ability, performance tests, ability to adjust speed and rev limiters, active fuel management and MDS tuning, and plugs into your OBD2 port. This seems similar to the ones people have been using, for example, from Diablo Sport, but I'm not sure if the Dodge one offers all the features of those products. It looks like Dodge wants a piece of the pie and decided just to make their own tuner here, but this is something customers have wanted for a long time, and it's too bad the tuners can't be used for the other models. Right now it's just the Hellcats. So first up would be the kit for the regular Hellcat Challenger, and that would be the pre-stage kit first, which includes a tuner and preloaded engine calibration that adds just 5 horsepower, so 722 horsepower and 656 pound-feet of torque. Other add-ons include a high-capacity air filter and a 180-degree thermostat. The Stage 1 kit comes next, which is $895 for the Hellcat. This adds a high-performance calibration key code to unlock Stage 1 calibration, and a 3.17-inch elephant pulley to increase the boost 2 pounds over stock. That adds another 35 horsepower and 40 pound-feet of torque, boosting the output to 757 horsepower and 696 pound-feet of torque. Moving over to the Redeye, the pre-stage kit is available again for $1,195, also including the high-capacity air filter, 180-degree thermostat, and the tuner, bumping the output to 802 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. The Redeye Stage 1 kit costs $395 and basically allows you to unlock the Stage 1 factory-tuned calibration. This requires you to have purchased a pre-stage kit already. For the Redeye, this adds another 38 horsepower and 63 pound-feet of torque, that boosts the output to 840 horsepower and 770 pound-feet of torque. Finally, the Redeye Stage 2 kit costs another $1,195, unlocking the Stage 2 factory-tuned calibration and adding that 3.17-inch elephant pulley. This adds another 45 horsepower and 17 pound-feet of torque, resulting in a massive output of 885 horsepower and 787 pound-feet of torque. So compared to a standard Redeye, that's a total improvement of 88 horsepower and 80 pound-feet of torque. Overall, Dodge says your ultimate street dream build with all the parts we've covered for the Hellcat Redeye Challenger would be $21,795 extra on top of the car for that 885 horsepower and 787 pound-feet of torque. Dodge claims that achieves you a 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds and the quarter mile in 10.8 seconds, so all the upgrades aren't too substantial, as the stock Redeyes already have amazing performance that is very hard to improve on. The direct connection portfolio also features 5 crate engines that are available. The standard 345 5.7-liter crate engine costs $7,495 and delivers 383 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque. The 392 6.4-liter Hemi has 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, and that costs $9,600. The 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcrate is a whopping $17,925, pumping 717 horsepower and 656 pound-feet of torque. You can also opt for the Redeye crate, which is a bit more expensive, $20,795. Finally, there's a Hellcat 426 supercharged crate engine that delivers 1,000 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque, but it has a massive price tag of $29,995. This engine will be available in Q2 of 2022. All the crate engines offer a 3-year, 100-mile parts warranty, but the crate engine controller kit must be purchased on the same invoice, and you have to have proof of the installation by an authorized dealer. There are also a wide variety of kits that are offered for the Dodge Challenger Mopar Drag Pack. The Drag Pack was introduced in 2008, and that's a factory-built turnkey drag car for racers who compete in sanctioned series, such as the National Hot Rod Association, NHRA, and National Muscle Car Association, NMCA. There are 13 race-ready kits and 4 graphics packages. I won't cover all these in depth right now, but I'll just scroll through the catalog on screen. The most intriguing option is the 7.5 body kit for a whopping $22,995, and that gives you a stripped-down Challenger with an NHRA certified roll cage, basically giving you a start to your Challenger race car. Other kits here include exterior and interior kits, race suspension kit, race driveline kit, seats and head restraints, and more. Mopar claims a quarter mile in 9 seconds, with around $88,000 worth of components, or 7.5 seconds to the quarter mile if you opt for $148,000 worth of goods here. There are also monochromatic or full color graphics with drag pack or direct connection decals. As for the last few points, the direct connection hotline has now been launched, available during working hours throughout the week, so enthusiasts can get technical advice on performance parts installation, service and technical issue resolution, motorsports programs, crate engines, restoration performance parts, and more. All parts, when purchased and installed by a Dodge Power Brokers dealership, get a 24-month unlimited miles warranty, and they will maintain the 3-year 36,000-mile new vehicle basic limited warranty and the 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain limited warranty from the original installation date. So that's it in this video, guys. What do you think of all these new direct connection parts? Let me know down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for all your Mopar content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.